Hi, my name is Mish. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how I get the wet look on my wig. First, I would like to say that this wig is already wet. I'm going to use this Cantu Comeback Curl Spray just to get the hair a little bit more sleeker. Then I'm just brushing the hair and then I'm just spraying it all around. And I'm just repeating the same thing right now. So I'm going to be using this Gorilla Snot gel. I use different gels on my wigs, but this one I think is absolutely the best one for it. It's not crunchy or hard, as long as you put the water on first in the spray. And I feel like it melts really well. I'm showing you in a second. Alright, so it does have adjustable straps. It has a band, which is the best thing ever. And the knots are bleached. I did them myself. If you want to know how to bleach knots, look at my video. I will link it below. I had this wig on about like 2 or 3 hours already, and it still hasn't gotten like crunchy. Y'all, these curls are really beautiful and super soft. I don't know, this lighting is so horrible. At the end of the video, I'll show you how it all looks together in better lighting. I would say off the grate, it looks natural. I'm still fixing it. I was just tugging on it so you can see it, how I love that the wig grip. It is amazing. Like, I did it again. I tried to move the hair to see if it was gonna move, and it doesn't lift up at all. And I'm just fixing the hair, brushing it around, trying to get it to look good. Yo, this looks so bomb. I didn't really do nothing much to it. I just put the gel on and stuff, but I just want you to see how good this wig looks. Oh, I forgot to mention this wig is from YWigs. This is absolutely my favorite wig. I got it on sale around December for Christmas. So I did get like a big discount. Just showing the parting space because it looks really well. So we are at the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel.